Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Jura Impresa C5 espresso machine. Now for this machine we gave it a nice tune-up, deep cleaning the spouts, the one that you see here. They were very clogged with coffee. We had to disassemble the entire thing, take it apart, deep clean everything, put a bunch of coffee cleaner around it, and then put it back together in order to clean the clog that was inside these spouts. And that was a lot of coffee in here. We also opened the machine up and removed the brew unit, replacing the O-ring, deep cleaning the shower screen of the brew unit, replacing the relubricating everything and making sure everything's moving the way it's supposed to, smoothly and with lubrication in there, and that is doing coffee. So yeah, that's all we did. We deep cleaned the brew unit, we deep cleaned the spouts, and we cleaned around a little bit the machine. So starting with one cappuccino, we're gonna test out the machine. I have milk cleaner right here instead of milk, which is going to actually work as milk. We're gonna be seeing it this frothing the milk. I mean the cleaner instead of the milk. And as you can see, it's doing it right now. We can increase different levels depending what we want. You can see that it's frothing, foaming milk the way it's supposed to. I'm gonna stop it right here, as I don't want it to overfill the cup. Now it's going to dispense coffee through this spout. As you can see, nice steady stream coming out of the machine, excellent color, working really well. Okay, I'm gonna stop it right here as I don't want it to overfill the cup. And now we can move into the spouts over here to do an espresso. There you go, it's gonna do an espresso, one strong espresso. Like I said, we disassembled these entire spouts, deep clean everything and make sure everything was free of coffee. As you can see, nice steady stream coming out of the spouts, excellent color, crema forming at the top of the cup, working great, not leaking anywhere. And of course hot water working as well, with a nice steady stream and excellent temperature. Oh. So there you have it, Jura Impresa C5 working once again. So thank you so much for repairing with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day, and thanks for watching.